Sliders Chronicles, Clutch, DWD3, YouTube Mix, Introvato Chronicles, comb your hair, move with it, bitch, move with it, move your feet. Her fingers are lit in the moon, and it's good with a crease, with a new chair. First thing, gotta be going in the Benzes. With a new stereotype, plug yourself into your charge, what you're feeling, you'll emerge, and how you hold yourself down is your crew, and your stare, and your feelings, and stare back when stare at me with like you in your dealership, but it's part of your killer's eccentric, and that's who you is being with, but you always be with yourself and myself, so we make a couple when we spin. When we find ourselves in life, we never regret. So pay attention to us and what we say, cause everything comes down to Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross. Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross. So embark yourself in new literature books that you may term of better living conditions. Understand the essay that you wrote when you wrote down it. It's essential that you hold down in the wood that you walked on, and the cement brick that you grasped in the evening when you talked about your memories that you involved your evolution. Where you hold yourself, it's like a doctor, or who never knows. You could be a lawyer, a rapture. You can make it through the rapture. My friends in the evenings even knows that was very illegal is what you can do, but don't give yourselves runaways. Always never knew crash into the fences and numbers ate up by animals. Sometimes there's birds that fly through. Well, we can be skateboarding, or we could be bicycle riding, even car riding, even walking, even whoever knew. Through the evening, they was just sitting there's like hundreds, even under that's like 50 swimming. And there's the goals, the birds landing. I'm talking about these ones is 6 foot tall. They might be skinny, but you can kick them off. So fall through the fall. Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross. Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross. Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross. Hail Mary full of grace, Hail Mary full of grace. One more road to cross, one more road to cross.